Hello all, welcome to the tutorial on how to convert a given binary coded decimal into a gray code number. So suppose say you have a number 0, 0, 0, 0. As binary coded decimal means the number will lie from 0 to 9. I am taking the first case how to convert in any general number like into gray code. Any general number as in it is in binary number. So this bit, the leftmost bit is called as MSB and the rightmost bit is called as LSB. MSB is most significant bit and LSB is least significant bit. So if you need to convert binary coded decimal to gray code or any binary number to gray code, what you will do is you will get suppose D3, D2, D1, D0. It is in general number. So this is a binary number. Now I need to convert into gray code. So how I will be writing gray code for this given number is MSB will be as it is. In order to obtain the next bit, it is nothing but D3 XOR with D2. That means the XOR of these two, the resultant will be giving me the second bit. Then what about this third bit? Third will be nothing but D2 XOR with D1, and the last bit will be nothing but D1 XOR with D0. So this is the basic funda to find out how to convert BCD to a gray code. Let us take the entire table of BCD and try to see the output for individual, what will be the gray code for individual BCD number. So our numbers are like this: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, triple 1, and then 1, triple 0, and finally is 1, 0, 0, 1. So as I said, the MSB will be written as it is. Now the corresponding, this is my BCD and this is my gray code. So in order to find next bit, nothing but XOR between these two. So the result is 0. Again XOR between these two is 0. XOR between these two is 0. 0 XOR with 0, 0. 0 XOR with 0, 0. 0 XOR with 1 is 1 less all 0. First MSB as it is, then XOR between these two, XOR between these two, and XOR between these two. Similarly for this case, MSB as it is, XOR between 0 and 0 is 0, XOR between 0 and 1 is 1, XOR between 1 and 0 is 1. Again MSB as it is, 0 XOR with 0, 0, 0 XOR with 1 is 1, 1 XOR with 1 is 0. 0 as it is, 0 XOR with 1 is 1, 1 XOR with 0 is 1, 0 XOR with 0, 0. If you are finding difficulty how I am writing, I will just draw the truth table of XOR gate. If it is 0, 1, output is 1. If it is 1, 0, output is 1, 1 and 1. The inputs are 1 and 1, the output will be 0 for the XOR gate. So in this case 0, again 1 and 1. 0 as it is, 0 XOR with 1 is 1, 1 XOR with 1 is 0, 1 XOR with 0 is 1, 0 as it is, 0 XOR with 1 is 1, 1 XOR with 1 is 0, 1 XOR with 1 is 0. MSB as it is, rest all will be 1 XOR with 0 is 1, 0 XOR with 0 is 0, 0 XOR with 0 is 0. And for last MSB as it is, 1 XOR with 0 is 1, 0 XOR with 0 is 0, 0 XOR with 1 is. So this is the output for the gray code. If you observe from the previous bit to the next bit, only one bit is changing. See, rest remaining 3 is same. From now again converting from this to this, 0 is changing to 1, rest all the bits are same. In this case 1 is changing to 0. In this case if you observe, 0 is changing to 1. In this case if you observe, 0 is changing to 1. In this case if you observe, 1 is changing to 0. That means from the previous state to the next state, only one bit will be changed. That is the uniqueness about gray code. This is the process of converting the binary coded decimal into gray code. Now what if you have been asked to convert any gray code to binary number? So for that, say your gray code is given as like this: 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. So now in order to solve, this is the case where you are converting gray code to binary. So for this what you need to do is, you need to keep MSB as it is. Now the resultant bit obtained, XOR it with the next bit. That means 1 XOR with 0 is nothing but 1. Again 1, the resultant XOR with the next bit, corresponding bit. 1 XOR with 1 is 0, 0 XOR with 1 is 1. Resultant will be like this. Again 1 XOR with 0 is resultant is 1, 1 XOR with 0 is resultant is 1, 1 XOR with 1 is resultant is 0, and 0 XOR with 0 is resultant is 0. Say, what will be the general formula then? Say I have the bit D3, D2, D1, D0. This is written in GrayCode. In order to convert that into binary, what I will do is D3 I will keep as it is. In order to find the next bit, what I will do is I will XOR the resultant with the next corresponding bit. That means the resultant is D3 XOR with D2. To avoid the confusion, I will write as let it be D3 dash. So it would be D3 dash. Now in order to XOR this, here D3 and D3 dash are same. Now what will be the resultant output? That will be nothing but D3 XOR with D2 XOR with D1, and finally the output will be D3 XOR with D2 XOR with D1 XOR with D0. So this will be the final case for a given binary number. This is the process how we convert GrayCode into binary. Thank you.